Hi guys, bigyan lang ako ng aking input naman dito sa photo na to, no? So, sa photojournalism kasi, we want our output to be unique, no? Pero during the competition, iwasan din natin gumamit ng silhouette kung hindi naman sensitive yung topic or yung pag-uusapan dun sa caption, no? Kasi maganda sana yung silhouette kung meron siyang deeper purpose like hiding yung identity ng subject para hindi makilala since siguro sensitive contents like for example smoking, no? Siguro yung mga naglalaro ng braha, 'di ba? Or nagtataya ng wedding, 'di ba? Mga ganong hiding identities. But so dito naman is maganda kung kitang-kita yung emotion, siguro, and hindi masyadong malaki yung space for the background, no? But kung photo composition lang and photography wise, maganda yung photo na to. So since it is more on photojournalism, we need to maximize every part of the photo.